Yay! Kita natin na Donki. Time is until 7 in the morning until 11 in the evening. Ito ang naman niya. Donki. Oh yeah. Hindi ko lang anong meron dito sa Donki. Parang ano siya, Japan home shop. Daming medyas, oh. Wow. Ano to? Chalk nut? Or batteries? Yan na ano. Mga mint siguro. Medicine. Medicine. Some power drinks. Okay, this is the energy drink section. And we have some power up items, steroids, temperature, nail cutters, everything they have. Para saan kaya to? For pricking? Maybe. For pimples siguro, no? For pricking. But you have to be good to do that to yourself. Kompleto, may band-aid, merong Anpanman, Hello Kitty, Kaka-cheap, Clear Care. Wow! Mga band-aids, 30-40. Perfume. Blacklight Samurai. Hindi ako bibili niyan. Why would I? Daming mabibili, oh. Anong difference na ito? Buffering? Hindi ko alam eh. Para sa bra. Maybe lift up bra. Wala akong idea. Sika. Familiar tong brand na to. Familiar. Right. Mga beauty items, eh. Beauty items. Wala akong idea kung ano yun. Wow, what is this? Alam niya yan? 500 milligrams? Ano sabihin niya? Condoms. Ang daming condom, no? Ano kaya itong isa? 928 yen? Teka. Translate mo nga. Gamitin natin ng Google Translate. Ano itong mga tableta na to? What is this? Seven to 100 supplements that make you happy, alone or with two people. It burns hot and violently. Wow. Man. I have no clue kung ano mga to. Let's see. Basahin natin sa likod. Okay, very expensive, no? Just to feel the burn. Pero mahal, no? Vacuum cup. Para saan kaya to? Wala akong clue. I have no idea kung anong mga to. Oh, Baki oh. Baki the Grappler. Vacuum cup? Para saan kaya to? No idea. Who needs this? Ang daming energy drink oh. Gokukan. Maximum sensitivity. Okay. Tigilan na yung kalokohan nyo. Hindi ko alam. Ito ko merong bata na tumitingin dito. Dito tayo para sa sa food. Mga medicine to. Ajinomoto brand. Uy, ang daming noodles pala dito. Ito yung Ichiran ramen. Ito mura lang. Wanna try? Parang same lang sa groceries. Ito parang same lang. Nothing new. Nothing Caprice imported. Caprice from Greece. Alam mo yan, nakabili tayo niya. Nah, nothing special bro. Ito chocolates. If you like, you can compare. Right. Pamigay mo sa kanila No idea. Osaka all these things. Batteries. Might as well need the battery under your belt. Daming of cashew.
Pocky.
Jeez. Cold drinks. And some high calorie stuffs. Mga high calorie foods if you want to eat them. Some strange nuts, very exotic. We have some few cookies. Few cookies for the children. There you go, children. Some people are knuckleheads around here. Just like me. We have drinks. Some beef jerky. Little ginseng. Sausages. Nanta ng matcha flavored ice cream. Maybe they have. Galing, no? Maybe this store is a duty free? Oh. No matcha flavored drink. Matcha. So, protein food. Hindi lahat ng people pare-pareho. Hindi lahat ng people are the same. Why is this expensive, my friend? How and why? Wala nandito in Georgia. Eh? Eh? Look at that, they have burgers. Nakita niyo yun? Pangit mo na. Walang dede. They have burgers. Wow. Onigiri. Onigiri, some bread stuffs they have here. And then some mask just put on your face. And some, alright. You have some corn, some crops and everything. And whatever. Okay, some people use this shop as a shortcut. No ice cream. Naides, Naides. What is this? Kamote? So I try. I'm gonna try kamote. They have Donki clips and pens. Mga pens. Give me a price. Actually, hindi ko alam. What pen is for? I don't know. Nagbubura? Cheap na. Yasuri. It's good. Yasuri. Grabe, no? Ayos na ng manamit, no? Sila, maayos na ng manamit. Ito, parang Pringles version nila. Pringles version. Their own version. And if you want umbrella, you get one. So that's our Donki for you. Donki for you. Let's go this way. Oh, Haribo. Wow. Haribo for kids. Chewables. People here in Japan are fashionable. See? Here, you want some soju? It's very cheap. Wow. Actually, ano masasabi sa Donki? Di naman siya mura. Same pa rin sa outside market. Gusto mo ng polo shirt, mas mura pa sa sa G. Sa Gu. Mas mura sa Gu. What's this? Diba? Ito ko bibili niyan. Ano ako, tanga? No, if you want to buy some facial stuffs, oh, right here. Ah, hair color. Good. But this is for women. I don't, for men. Lucido. Grabe. Siguro maganda yung quality, tumatagal. Kaya mahal. Kaya mahal siya. Right? Ito, ano to? Pamalo? Plancha. Meron na tayo nun. Saudi Arabia, much cheaper. Right? Ah, what's this? Basket? Toothpaste if you like. You brush your ass with it. Amino mascot? Mason? Wow. Strange stuffs. Okay, we've been here. Slippers, sandals if you like. You wear it. White mask. Babions, towels, and blah blah blah. Oh, Japanese diapers, for babies. Yes, I don't need these stuffs. You know, nalagay mo sa mukha yung mask. Okay, natuwa ka ba sa Don NT? Commercial nila. Galing sumipa, Tarantado. Gago. Gago pag gagawa ng commercial. Parang ako lang, gago. Bro, duo. Kala mo mura, hindi naman pala. Sabi mo, Yasui, Yasui. Ay, Yasui. Sugoi. Totoo kaya ito?